In this video, we'll be introducing a series called the 2-minute tutorial. The aim of this video series is to provide really short snippets of information that will just answer simple questions that you might have about cameras or photography. So we're going to shoot for videos that are 2 minutes or less so that you can get the information you need for a particular question and then improve your photography knowledge or skills and then get back out there and keep shooting and keep improving through creating images. So that's the aim of this video series, and we'll be covering a lot of topics. Probably starting with things that are very basic and then moving through as the series grows. But if you have any questions and you want to know the answer to anything in particular about cameras or photography, post a comment below and I'll be sure to check it out and add it to the list of topics that I've already planned to cover. And then, hopefully in time, this will grow to become a really useful resource for you, where you can just access the information you need. So there you have it, introduction to the 2-minute tutorial, and I really look forward to bringing this to you, and hopefully it's going to be of huge value to you and will help you with your photography. So my name's Keith from Take Better Portraits, signing off.